What up, y'all? So, getting back into the RCs today. I'm gonna show a clip in a moment of our busted RC right now. You can tell it's busted because everything's just dangling all over the place. See the gyro, the ESC. Somebody said they knew what they were talking about. Turns out they didn't know what they were talking about. So I gotta put it back in the places I need it to be for a 60-40 weight distribution, front to rear. Then we're gonna basically go up to full throttles track because today's a Sunday, it's open. The Talladega room is open for us to get the RC on the floor. There's gonna be some other guys up there. We're gonna test out how it does. Adjust the gyro as we go, micro adjustments, that's the way to go. Because you can see in a moment, it's definitely overcompensating. Alrighty, so today, the only thing we really have to do to fix our problems is put some adhesive down, because this is loose. This is the ESC. Our gyro's loose, and that's where a lot of the steering input problems are coming from. But yeah, we'll get right to it. You want this to be as far back but still in the center as you can, so mount this away. For that, I'm not using normal 3M. I'm gonna be using some Dum Gum, which is like that. It's a little thicker. A lot more sticky. Gets all over everything, but this should never have to move, so it's okay. Just like that. All right. Yeah, I don't like that. I think we're gonna put some more on there. Just like that. Alrighty, y'all. So there you have it. Headed out now, got some cool footage. So you see, other than the minute adjustments we're still going to be doing with the gyro, every single lap was an improvement. That's what we're looking for. All right, y'all, so if you like this video, if you like anything RC, then we're going to continue to make it. Make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Drop a comment, drop a like, maybe click subscribe if you got the time. I would really appreciate it. It really helps me out, and also your comments will allow me to know what you guys prefer content wise. So sorry I'm talking so fast. I just want to make this as quick as possible. Y'all be safe, have a good night, and I'll see you next week.